So in this video, you'll learn how to restore the missing animations on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you've been navigating through your tablet and you notice the animations that used to be there have disappeared and you want to restore them, then I'll be showing you how to do so. The first step is to you going to the Settings app, and once you're in the Settings app, you're then going to scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, you're going to tap on Vision Enhancements, and then you're going to find Reduce Animations. With this feature enabled, you'll notice that the animations that you used to previously see are no longer visible. So in order for you to return the animations or to restore them, you're just going to disable that feature. Once that feature has been turned off, you'll now notice when you navigate through your tablet, all the animations that had previously disappeared have been successfully restored. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.